Let's look at the COUNTIF function and how we can use it to narrow down a dataset based on criteria that we define. The COUNTIF function is, as I'm sure you can tell, a combination of both the if function and the count function. COUNTIF is extremely useful if we are trying to understand specific subsets of our data. To understand this a little better, let's use the same dataset from the count function tutorial. Again, we have 25 different employees, but now we would like to understand how many employees are over the age of 40. I have also sorted the data from eldest to youngest employee. Let's start by selecting the target cell where you would want to use this function, or in this case, cell E8. Begin by typing the COUNTIF function, followed by an open bracket. Here we see two required arguments. We know the range we want to evaluate is B2 through B26. Let's click on cell B2, and then let's use the Control, Shift, down arrow keystroke to select that entire data range. Now we need to enter the second argument, which is the criteria that we want to evaluate the data with. Make sure you enter a comma to separate out the two arguments. Since we are looking to understand the number of employees over the age of 40, we can simply type the greater than sign, followed by the number 40. However, for Excel to understand this logic, we actually need to include the criteria in quotation marks. Once we do that, we can hit enter and see that the function evaluates to 13. When comparing with the dataset, we see this matches up as expected.